Good morning. Today I will tell you about the parts of speech. Parts of speech. Speech means whatever we say, and whatever we say, that is called sentence. So, what are the part of that sentence? We will know about it. Parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, verb, conjunction, interjection. Yes, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, verb, conjunction, and interjection. These are the parts of speech, and these part complete to make a sentence. So one by one we will know about all these, but today we will know about the noun. Now, this is called Sangya in Hindi. What is noun? Noun is the naming word for any particular place, person, or thing. Suppose I have this item in my hand. When it was constructed, prepared, or built, the mechanic or the constructor thought what name should be given to identify it in so many items. They gave it duster. So duster is the name of this particular thing. This is marker. Marker is the name of this particular thing. In this way, there are so many persons, there are so many places, there are so many things which are known with their name. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो जिनको हम नाम से जानते हैं, अदरवाइज बहुत सारे लोग पड़े हुए हैं, हम उनको क्या कहेंगे? हम उनका एक नाम दे देते हैं और वही उसी को नाउन बोलते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड संज्ञा. नाउन. नाउन is the name of person, place or thing. Now, nouns, category of nouns. First one is proper noun. Proper noun is called vyaktivačak. The name which is particularly used or particular person. I am H.P. Yadav. Some may be D. Singh. Some may be K. Singh. Some may be Rajiv. So, I am a person and I have been given a name. That is why my particular name is H.P. Yadav. You can't tell Rajendra Yadav. You can't say Bhupender Yadav. I am H.P. Yadav. So, H.P. Yadav is my proper name. Proper noun. So, proper noun is the noun which is used for a particular place, person or thing. Next one is common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is the noun which is used for all person, for all places for all things. Suppose all persons. I am a person. He is a boy. All boys. Whenever you are not knowing them, जब तक आप उसका नाम नहीं जानते हैं, सबको कसम he is a boy. And as soon as you know his particular name, you call him his particular name. But when you do not know the name, you call he is a person, he is a boy, he is a girl, he is a woman, he is a teacher, this is a city, this is a good city. So, whenever any particular name is not given, at that time it is common noun. Suppose boy, girl, man, city, so many things are here. जिनका कोई व्यक्तिगत नाम नहीं है, उनको हम कॉमन में रख देते हैं। कॉमन एक जाति समूह है, उस जाति में विभिन्न तरह के लोग रहते हैं। जब विभिन्न तरह के लोगों को हम नाम से जानेंगे तो हो जाएगा प्रॉपर नाउन, और जब हमको एक ही में बुलाएंगे तब हो जाएगा कॉमन नाउन। तो कॉमन नाउन क्या हुआ? जो सबके लिए इस्तेमाल हो। बॉय, बॉय राजीव के लिए, कमल के लिए, दिनेश के लिए, सुरेश के लिए, महेश के लिए, सबको बॉय कह सकते हैं। लेकिन रमेश को रमेश कहेंगे, बॉय हो सकता है लेकिन वो रमेश है, रमेश हो जाएगा तो हो गया प्रॉपर नाउन, बॉय होगा तो वो कॉमन नाउन। नेक्स्ट है कलेक्टिव। कलेक्टिव नाउन, कलेक्टिव नाउन को क्या बोलते हैं? कलेक्टिव नाउन को हिंदी में बोलते हैं समूहवाचक संज्ञा। व्हाट इज कलेक्टिव नाउन? कलेक्टिव नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ एनी ग्रुप, a person, place or thing. Suppose I am telling you class, कक्षा 5 इधर आओ, क्लास 5 कम हियर, कॉल द क्लास 2। जब आपको क्लास 2, क्लास 5, क्लास 6 ये बुलाया जाता है, देन द पर्टिकुलर क्लास कम, होल क्लास कम। एक बच्चा उसमें से निकल नहीं आएगा। अगर एक बच्चा आएगा तो प्रॉपर नाउन हो जाएगा, रामू हो जाएगा या दिनेश हो जाएगा। लेकिन सारे बच्चे आएंगे तो क्लास, एक क्लास का रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। तो ये पूरा समूह एक नाम दे दिया, उसको हम बोलते हैं कलेक्टिव नाउन। भीड़, क्राउड, क्राउड क्या है? क्राउड इज आल्सो ए कलेक्टिव नाउन। नेक्स्ट कम abstract noun. Abstract noun is known as भाववाचक in हिंदी। abstract noun को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? भाववाचक। abstract noun होता क्या है? किसी क्वालिटी, किसी एक्शन या किसी क्रिया का जब एक अलग संज्ञा का रूप दे दिया जाता है, whenever any quality, any action or any verb is defined as a noun. Good, good is a quality, goodness become noun, good is adjective and goodness become a condition of the goodness, good thing. In the same way, bad, badness, happy, happiness. So these are the abstract noun. Next come at last material. Material नाम धातुवाचक संज्ञा। मटेरियल नाम क्या है? किसी मैटर का नाम, लोहा, आयरन, सिल्वर, वुड, stone. This is known as a material noun. Now something you have to note, that proper noun is written in capital letter. Since proper noun is the name of any person, place or thing, So it is written in capital letter. Prayagraj, capital letter. और एक चीज और ध्यान रखिए, when sometime proper noun becomes common noun. Suppose Kalidas. Kalidas is the well-known poet of Sanskrit. But when we say Kalidas is known as the Shakespeare of in India. Shakespeare was also a very well-known poet of English. Kalidas is also very well-known poet of Hindi and Sanskrit. So Kalidas in India is known as a Shakespeare of British. So here Shakespeare has become a common. You can use anything. And at last I will say that some nouns are known as a countable noun. Countable which can be counted, जिनको गिना जा सके, जैसे बॉय, गर्ल, मैंगो. These can be counted in number. One boy, two boy, three boy, one girl, two girl, one mango, two mango, three mango. Some are uncountable noun. Uncountable. What are uncountable? Milk. Milk is the noun, a proper noun, but it is known as uncountable noun also. It cannot be counted. One milk, two milk, three milk. So liquid. These are the oil, milk, water. These are the uncountable noun. So today you have known many things. First, noun, name of person, place or thing. The parts of noun. First, proper noun is the particular name of any person, place or thing. City, any city, and any city you can say city. But when you say Prayagraj, Meerut, Delhi, Lucknow, these are the proper noun. Next one, common noun. Common noun, what is common noun? Common noun is the name which is used commonly. Boy, girl, man, teacher, village, road. And whenever these roads are given a particular name, they become the proper. Another noun is abstract noun. Abstract noun becomes the any state of person, place or thing, proper noun. Adjective. How? Good, goodness. Hot, hotness. Child, childhood. These manhood. So these are the states of any quality, action or noun when it becomes as a noun. Next one is countable noun. The noun which can be counted. Boy, girl, mango, tree, bird. Uncountable noun which can't be counted, जिनको गिना नहीं जाता, they are uncounted noun. So today is this one I have told you. I think you have liked it. If you liked, subscribe my channel and share. Thank you.